Clean the surface and apply the protective film. Attach the dashcam onto the film. Connect the power cable, rear camera cable, and GPS cable to the main unit. Route the cables under the interior headliner. Tuck cables into the headliner. Run the power cable along the gap in the pillar. Attach the GPS module. Route the power cable along the door seal. Route the cables under the lower panel and secure them with tape or clips. Tuck the cables into the gaps of the trim panels. Plug the power cable into the cigarette lighter socket. Check whether the dash cam is receiving power properly. Route the rear camera cable along the door seal. Tuck it between the B pillar and C pillar trim. Lift the door seal slightly and reroute the rear camera cable. Clean the area you are planning to install the dashcam on and apply the protective film. Attach the rear camera onto the film and connect the cable. Tuck the cable under the interior headliner.